In 2019, SWIFT improved speeds to an average of 30 minutes for half of GPI payments, with almost every transaction being completed in less than 24 hours. At that time, Ripple Labs dismissed the upgrade as just a marginal improvement on very old architecture. What did SWIFT really announce? Does this bring XRP in danger? What does the current market scenario have to say about this? If you are looking for answers for the above questions, then you are at the right place. Hello, crypto lovers! Welcome to Finance Bro, your daily crypto updates. But before we begin with the video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when I come back with another amazing video. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. SwiftGo is the new product of the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications, also known as SWIFT. The service enables businesses and consumers to send low-value cross-border payments anywhere in the world in seconds with full transparency and strong security. 7 global banks, which collectively handle 33 million low-value cross-border payments per year, have already gone live with SwiftGo, a key building block in the cooperative strategy to enable instant and frictionless cross-border transactions. SWIFT is stepping up as countless payment startups have developed solutions that solve the most troublesome issues in cross-border payments, including firms emerging from the blockchain space such as XRP-powered Ripple, ex-Ripple founder Jed McCaleb, Stellar, and newly launched Algorand-powered 6Clovers. SWIFT new products is designed for SMEs that wish to pay suppliers overseas and for consumers sending money to friends and family internationally. Go uses tighter service level agreements between institutions and pre-validations of data to allow banks to provide their end customers with a fast and predictable payments experiences with upfront visibility on processing times and costs. SWIFT's network connects more than 11,000 institutions and 4 billion accounts across 200 countries worldwide. Stephen Gilderdale, Chief Product Officer at SWIFT, said, SwiftGo is a further step towards achieving our visions of enabling anybody, anywhere, to send money instantly and securely around the world. The new service is a direct response to the needs of small businesses and consumers for a fast, easy, predictable, and competitively priced cross-border payments. Our new service will allow banks to compete effectively in one of the fastest growing segments of the payment market, delivering a seamless experience for their customers. SwiftGo tightens service levels between banks to increase speed. A single payment format increases straight-through processing, while services such as pre-validations remove frictions that cause delays. The sender will know in advance information about the amount, time, fees, and the FX rate of a payment, and both senders and receiver can track the status in real time. Processing fees are agreed between financial institutions upfront so they can provide their customers with full transparency. Increased straight-through processing further reduces processing costs. BBVA, Bank of New York Mellon, DNB, MyBank, Cyberbank, Societe Generale, and UniCredit have all gone live with the solutions. Marjan de Latin, who was Ripple's head of global banking prior to moving to SETL earlier this year, said in 2019 that Ripple and SWIFT are not competitors but can be very complementary. This was said at Blockchain Summit in London. Ms. de Latin has previously worked for SWIFT for 10 years, most certainly in charge of selling its global payments innovation service before joining Ripple. We are two different things. We are not replacing SWIFT, as SWIFT has its own value, she said, adding that banks could take advantage of both. The GPI is SWIFT's attempt to step up and provide faster settlement times and an ability to track payments. In 2019, SWIFT was averaging 30 minutes in ETA for half of GPI payments, almost all within 24 hours. It was a great accomplishment at the time. At the time, Ripple Labs dismissed that upgrade as just a marginal improvement on a very old architecture. Ms. de Latin explained why Ripple and SWIFT are not competitors per se. SWIFT is improving dramatically the way that payments happens today, but it's still about messaging. You can still send a message to another party. I don't call it settlement because this is not a settlement. It's around the fact that I can send message in a faster way and I can track it. This is an improvement from previously where it could take days. SwiftGo, however, seems to have reduced low-value cross-border payments to second with a full transparency and strong security. This is quite a development for the firm, which has been fighting to stay relevant. Ripple, however, remains tied to lawsuit with the SEC over an alleged sale of unregistered securities, which implies XRP is a security. The depositions of the ex-SEC director of the corporation's finance, William Hinman, will go forward today. The lawsuit has seen a turn of events last week with a public settlement from 2 of the 5 SEC commissioners admitting leading to lack of clarity within the digital asset space. The gift from the heavens was later rebuked by the agency in its replies to a letter from the individual defendants Brett Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, who seeks to dismiss the case against them. With cross-border payment becoming highly competitive, Ripple has moved to diversify the use cases for the XRP ledger. Most recently, it has announced it is venturing into assets tokenizations. Tokenized assets have also been under the radar of the SEC as of lately. Make no mistakes, it doesn't matter whether it's a stock token, a stable value token backed by securities, or any other virtual products that provide synthetic exposures to underlying securities, said SEC Chair Gary Gensler. Ripple imagined delivering a technology transformation by establishing a new global payment network known as RippleNet, entirely built on distributed ledger technology and tightly held between ISO standards. Consequently, Ripple has been a leading proponent of ISO 20022 and aims to enable better global interoperability and an improved customer experience for payments with the increased that options of ISO 20022 combined with the new approaches made possible with the TripleNet's distributed ledger technology. We can better shape the future of cross-border payments. The past year has seen the popularity of commodities and alternative assets including crypto and tokens like Ripple. When you make a cross-border money transfer, your request goes through multiple institutions, causing transactions delays and unnecessary transfer costs. This is the problem XRP was designed to solve as an open-source decentralized digital assets built for payments. The XRP Ledger's consensus protocol was built to enhance transaction settlement through a cryptographic guarantee of every record settlement and its ability to track and review all transactions occurring on the network. The inherent immutability of the XRP ledgers provide the ability to audit transactions and allows users to leverage XRP to send fast, reliable, and cost-effective cross-border payments between parties. In addition to sending payments on demand real-time, users of Ripple could attach documents such as invoices so that they quickly look up the payment. XRP to US dollar is one of the top 10 digital assets by market cap, which is currently around $29 billion. The advent of blockchain solutions in the cross-border payment space is good news for its consumer and the proactive banks in adopting the technology. Likely, the technology of waiting 3 to 4 days for settlement and 8% deductions is coming to an end. Consumers will be able to enjoy faster, more reliable, and secure money transfer anywhere. The banks that undertake the technology will likely profit, and it will allow them to tap underserved markets and improve their missions by shedding some of the operational costs related to the traditional international payment rails. Many crypto analysts believe digital currencies will be accepted more in the coming years, hence the growth of Ripple tokens seems inevitable. However, the legal dilemma currently restrains XRP from starting its new bull leg, as XRP's price chart shows quick and broad daily moves. Furthermore, it would not be beneficial to know the route and the extent of the next movement, so short-term Ripple traders should be cautious. XRP is an exciting cryptocurrency that's been gaining momentum in the financial sector for its ability to facilitate cross-border payments and currency exchange. It's faster than Bitcoin that takes only a few seconds per transaction as opposed to an hour or more. It has the potential to provide a better method for completing international payments. So, what are your thoughts on this? Let's discuss in the comment sections below. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family.